The Old English period, the Anglo-Saxon period. In last video, we have studied about the history of English literature and the background of history of English literature and the introduction of history of English literature, or the important ages and periods of history of English literature. But now today we are going to start in detail the first, the Old English period, or we also called it the Anglo-Saxon period. This age started in the 5th century when the Jutes, Angles, and Saxons came to England from Germany, defeated the English tribes, and started their reign. It ended in 1066 with the Norman conquest. The important facts which influenced the literature of this period are: the first, is Christianization of the pagan tribes began in England. The second, in the 7th century, Christian authorities established monasteries where written literature began. Whatever had existed as literature before their time was oral. Alfred the Great, who reigned over England from 1871 to 901, encouraged education and supervised the compilation of the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, major literary works of the period. Beowulf, the earliest epic in English, was written in this period. The Wanderer, the Seafarer, the Husband's Message, and the Wife's Lament are among the remarkable literary works of the age. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, written in this age, is the earliest prose of English literature. Main literary features of the age. The first one, most of the literary works are anonymous. Anonymous means the writer was unknown. Paganism dominates the literary spirit of the time, though Christianity is also traceable. Strong belief in fate is reflected. Uh, Fate means destiny. Evil is symbolized by monsters. Romantic love is absent. Romantic love means fancy, romance. Attitude to women is respectful. Sea adventures, savagery, and heroic activities are honored. Use of more metaphors and less similes is the practice of the time. Alliteration is used as the cheap ornamental device, and all alliterative syllables are stressed. Kennings compound words instead of single words are widely used. Here are some examples. Whale road for sea, loaf giver for king, life house for body, soul destroyer for monster are some words used in combined form. Verse lines do not have equal number of syllables. Syllables in one line vary from 6 to 14 and rhyme is ignored. So these are main literary features of this age. So in our next topic we will study about our next age, the Middle English period. So please all students write down the history of English literature in their notebook and practice. It is important for all students who are appearing in BA first year, second year, third year, and also important for the PG students in English literature. Thank you.